When you search for the best makeup kits, everything looks the same. Same colors, same claims, same packaging. But if you want to know what really works and what's just pretty, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, MORNECA Full Makeup Kit. Let's kick things off with the MORNECA Professional Makeup Kit. This all-in-one set caught my eye with its vibrant 58 colors, including 39 eyeshadows and a range of lipsticks and blushes, all for just $27.99. If you want a comprehensive kit that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed to solve your makeup dilemmas. With its ultra-pigmented colors, you can create everything from a bold, smoky eye to a subtle, everyday look. The long-lasting formula means you won't need constant touch-ups, which is a game changer if you're on the go. Plus, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. The reviews are impressive too. 5 stars from 1,800 reviewers, and over 200 bought this last month. Now, some people complained about the packaging being a bit flimsy, but here's the thing: once you see the quality of the makeup itself, you'll realize it's not a deal-breaker. If you're careful, it's still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're new to makeup or just want a convenient, all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end luxury brands, but for the price, it's a steal. Now, if the packaging concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, UNIFULL 132 Color Set. Next up is the UNIFULL 132 Color All-in-One Makeup Kit. Priced at $39.99, it's a bit more on the premium side but offers an incredible variety of 132 pieces. If you want a makeup kit that feels like an artist's palette, this is definitely worth checking out. This kit addresses the need for versatility. The portable design with a full-size mirror makes it perfect for travel. Plus, the high-quality ingredients mean they blend easily and last all day, so you won't end up looking washed out. The 4.7-star rating from 2,800 reviewers speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit heavy to carry around. But honestly, if you're serious about your makeup, the weight is a small price to pay for such a comprehensive set. This is perfect for anyone who loves experimenting with different looks or wants to step up their makeup game. Skip this if you prefer a lighter, more compact option, but for the value, it's superb. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious beauty lovers. Product number 3, Miss Rose M Makeup Kit. Now let's talk about the Miss Rose M58 Color Professional Makeup Kit. At just $25.99, it's an affordable choice that still gives you a solid range of products. If you're looking for quality without spending a fortune, this is definitely one to consider. This kit has everything from eyeshadows to lipsticks, designed to be user-friendly for both beginners and pros. The long-lasting, skin-friendly formula means you can wear it all day without irritation, which is a huge plus. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviewers, it's clear this one's a hit. However, a few users said they wished for more matte options, but here's the thing: if you're just starting out, the variety here is more than enough to play and experiment with different styles. This is perfect for someone wanting a basic kit that's easy to use. Skip it if you need something more advanced with specific shades, but for the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for something a little simpler, our next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, CHAFFUL Makeup Essential Bundle. The next contender is the CHAFFUL All-in-One Makeup Kit, priced at $27.99. This kit includes everything from foundation to eyeshadow, making it perfect for anyone who wants an all-encompassing makeup solution. If you want a hassle-free makeup experience, give this one a look. This kit truly solves the problem of needing multiple products for a full face look. With items like foundation, primer, and eyeshadow included, you can easily create that perfect look without spending hours searching for each item individually. It's rated 4.5 stars by 1,000 users, and over 700 have purchased it in just the past month. Now, some users found the foundation shade range lacking, which is a fair point. However, if you're new to makeup, the basic shades included can be mixed to create your own perfect match. This is perfect for anyone who wants to simplify their beauty routine. Skip it if you're someone who has very specific needs for foundation, but for convenience, it's worth every penny. Finally, if you're really after a lot of variety, the last product on our list brings even more to the table. Product number 5, MTDXILTAI Makeup Kit. Last but not least is the MTDXILTAI All-in-One Makeup Kit, available for $24.98. This kit stands out with its unique storage bag and 20 makeup brushes included. If you want a full makeup setup that's easy to travel with, check this one out. The highly pigmented formula ensures a vibrant look that lasts all day. Plus, it has a commendable 4.6-star rating from 1,900 reviewers, so it's clearly making waves. However, some people mention the brushes could be of better quality. But honestly, for the price and the variety you get, it's hard to complain too much. You can always invest in better brushes later on if you want. This is perfect for makeup enthusiasts who want variety and ease of use. Skip it if you're looking for high-end brush quality, but you really can't beat the value here. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the MORNECA kit for budget-friendly versatility, the UNIFULL set for those who want to go all out, the Miss Rose M for a solid starter kit, the CHAFFUL for simplicity, and the MTDXILTAI for travel convenience. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.